Hello, this is Mark R. Holcomb, aka West Virginia AK-47. Two groups of unjustly mined gun users are the old Army rifle hunter and the tactical hunter. The first shows up with a Mauser or Lee Enfield or stock SKS or more than a Nagant, and he gets jumped onto by people armed with more traditional hunting weapons such as lever actions, bolt action rifles, maybe semi-automatic 270s. This is wrong. Hunting is not a command sport. It is meant to be an incentive to work to save our gun rights. I welcome the old Army rifle hunter. For that is the way women and young people often get into hunting nowadays. And the statistic shows that they are the future of both hunting and shooting. The second group of maligned shooters is the tactical hunter. These are the guys who learned the light guns through video games, magazines, movies, home defense courses, and whatnot. There's nothing wrong with a 243 AR-15. There's nothing wrong with using an AK-47 to hunt more. As long as they have taken a safe hunting course, the tactical hunter is no more dangerous than any other kind of hunter. Another thing people who criticize tactical hunters do not take into account is that many reflex sights are cheaper than fancy telescopic sights. I've seen high-end telescopic sights that are regular for over $1,000, and yet I've seen reflex sights that are $100. Should we vilify a poor man or poor woman for using what they can afford? No, because the Constitution does not have a money requirement. Remember, don't let them divide us. Stick together and we'll save our gun rights. This is West Virginia AK-47, aka Mark R. Holcomb. Thank you for your time.